Let's watch short.
What kind of an idiot puts a plastic bag in a garbage disposal?
Okay, Brick.
Ask.
If you have...
Oh, nitrogen monoxide.
Just another weak earthquake, not even worth getting up for. Alright, I should probably start working on that project. Well, I can keep watching videos. I worked enough already. Well, I'm basically on the very edge of the earthquake zone. Nothing to worry about for me. Damn, what the hell was that? I need to find out ASAP if the earthquake reached my girlfriend. She lives nearby. Gonna check the news. Shit, looks like it was really bad. Glad it's over now. I bet the university will be closed tomorrow. I'm gonna go grab a beer. Damn it! Everything's shaking way too hard now. What do I do? Where are my keys? Where the hell are they? Fuck,
No,
they're nowhere to be
earthquake.
found.
Earthquake.
Guess I'll at least write a note to my
Earthquake.
family.
Earthquaked. Earthquaked. Earthquaking.
I love you all. It's my own fault I'll be trapped under the rubble. I should have followed the instructions. I'm sorry.
Oh my God. The earth is broken.